What's inside Filipino woman handbag? Filipino edition. Hey guys! Ever wonder what's really inside a Filipino woman's bag? You might just be surprised by the delightful assortment of items we carry around daily. Today, I'll take you on a little journey through my bag. Let's uncover the essentials, the quirks, and the surprises that make up the quintessential Filipino woman's handbag. So let's dive right in. First, makeup. Lipstick from Bench. Compact powder. Keeps face fresh all day. Next, snacks. Choc Nut bar. Some shrimp crackers. Hunger hits? Grab this. Meds corner. Biogesic for headache. Imodium just in case. Stomach bugs love trips. Money pouch. Bills folded neat. Coins jingling for jeepney fare.
Then, compact powder. This trusty companion keeps my face fresh throughout the day. The tropical heat can be relentless, and a little powder here and there helps combat that midday shine. What's a handbag without these vital beauty essentials? They're not just for aesthetics, they offer that little boost of self-assurance when one needs it.
2. Snack attack, treats for every craving. Now, let's move on to one of the most delightful sections of my bag, the snacks. It's no secret that hunger can strike at any moment, especially during busy days filled with errands or meetings. That's why I have a stash of goodies ready to go. First up is my Choc Nut bar. This classic Filipino treat combines the rich flavor of chocolate and peanuts, perfect for a quick energy boost. It's a nostalgic snack that brings back memories of childhood and simple joys. Alongside it, you'll find some shrimp crackers. These crunchy delights are subtly flavored and add a satisfying crunch anytime I feel peckish. Whether I'm waiting in line or taking a short break, these snacks keep my spirits high and my tummy happy. Who knew a handbag could double as a mini pantry? Meds corner, prepared for anything. One essential often overlooked in bags is the meds corner. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes our bodies remind us of that. In my bag, you can find biogesic for those pesky headaches that occasionally sneak up on me. Nothing derails a busy day like a sudden migraine, so being prepared is key. Also included is Imodium, just in case. We all know that stomach bugs have a knack for targeting unsuspecting travelers, especially on trips or food adventures. Having these medications handy serves as a safety net, ensuring I can tackle the day without worry. It's this practical preparation that makes life more manageable. The essentials, money, tech, and more. Let's talk about the essentials. No Filipino handbag is complete without the money pouch. Inside, I've folded my bills neatly, because who likes rummaging through tangled cash alongside jangling coins, ready for jeepney fares? Public transportation is part of daily life here, and having loose change readily available is crucial. Next, there's my phone, always
charged and within reach. In today's digital age, our phones are indispensable. It's not just for calls and texts, but also for navigation, work, and social media. To avoid any dead battery drama, I also carry an extra power bank. It provides peace of mind, knowing I won't miss an important call or message. Of course, I can't forget the small pack of tissues. They serve multiple purposes, from wiping hands after enjoying Halo to sneezing during allergy season. Alongside, you'll find a comb and tiny mirror for those quick fixes. You never know when you'll need to ensure your hair looks great or check your smile. 5. The surprises, little treasures. As we dig deeper, it's time to unveil some unexpected treasures. First up, there's a small abanico fan. Especially helpful during the sweltering summer months. When the heat becomes overwhelming, it provides instant relief. Plus, it's a lovely accessory that adds a touch of culture to my ensemble. Lastly, we have receipts, lots of them. Whether it's from shopping sprees, dining out, or simply buying snacks, receipts seem to multiply in my bag. They're a testament to my adventures, even if they clutter the space a bit. Conclusion: the heart of a Filipino woman's handbag. And there you have it. From beauty essentials and snacks to practical items and hidden treasures, a Filipino woman's handbag is a curated collection of everything needed to navigate daily life. Each item tells a story and reflects our vibrant culture and resourcefulness. So, what's in your bag? Share your favorite items and surprises. After all, every bag has its own unique charm and personality, much like the wonderful women who carry them. That's it. Pine bag ready for anything. What's in yours? Comment below. Like, sub, hit bell. See you next time.